Let's get it, YouTube. As promised, I am back. On this video, I will be showing you how to install and remove the front windscreen from your sports bike. What I have here in front of you is, of course, is my bike, a 2015 Suzuki GSXR 750. What I'll be using today, I have some scissors, my Mr. 7-hand screwdriver, ratchet with a 10mm bit. I have some painter's tape, and that's what we will be removing. My bike came with like a semi-smoke windscreen, and I will be removing it. All right, sit back and enjoy. Okay, all the screws are loose. Now let's go ahead and take them off. I'm gonna start this time at the top and go way down to the bottom. Okay, all the screws are removed. Now, working on the mirrors. Tape. The tape is to make sure once I remove the mirrors, it doesn't scratch up my fairings. Ratchet, 10mm bit. On this side. And there's 2 screws keeping the housing department connected to the bike. You gotta remove both. First screw is off. Second screw is off. Okay. Now, just pull this up like so. And again, be careful. Don't want to scratch up your fairings. that masking tape again, or painter's tape. Again, be careful as you do this. Just gently, easily pull this out of the holes, like so. You don't want to scratch up your fairings. Place the tape around it, like so. Then get myself in the tape. Because as I move, I don't want the screws to scratch up the fairing. That's the whole purpose of the tape. Shot of what I've done. Masking tape. Keep the screws from scratching up the fairings. And that's how the bike looks without a front windshield. Okay. These are going to be probably the most difficult ones to put back in. So let's do those first. Now the mirrors. And again, take your time. If you're like me, you don't want to scratch up your fairings. The reason why I loosened up the mirrors, it was to allow more slack. To allow the front fairing more little slack so I can get to those bottom screws. Okay. I'll do the same with this one. Remove the tape. Be careful so you won't scratch up your fairings. Tighten up as tight as you can get. Like I said on that side, I'm not sure if you all were able to hear me. The reason for loosening up the mirror, it was to allow slack so I could ease the front fairing up to get to the bottom screws. Without doing that, I probably would have to remove the whole dash. I didn't want to do that. Just making sure. It's always good to double check. This one's still a little loose. All right. And there you have it, YouTube. Limo tinted windscreen installed. Once again, I just want to thank you all for hanging out with me, going on this journey with me. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, like, leave comments, and stay tuned for more good content. And as I always do before I sign off, I want to keep with the GSXR theme, with the racing theme. Of course, I have it there, and of course there. I need to remove this tank pad. So new video coming. It's starting to chip anyway. It's time to go. And I'm going to be installing this beauty right here. So again, appreciate you guys staying with me, watching this video. Hope it's helpful for someone. And again, just showed you how to install a windscreen for your sports bike. This is Junior signing off. Peace.